The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips and the trunk. Here's what you're going to do. Get a cable system set up in the low position. You want to start with a neutral grip. So I'm going to have my elbow kind of at a 45-degree angle. And make sure, folks, you're not just twisting through the forearm. You actually got the elbow pointing out a little bit. If your left arm is the one that's going to be doing the work, left leg's going to be forward. You're going to get soft knees and subtle tuck. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to step back, weight on the back heel, and you're going to turn your arm so your elbow's pointing down, your palm's pointing up. So external rotation of the arm. When you're in this position, you want to inhale. So you're going to inhale as you come back. And then on the exhale, you're going to return to the start position like that. So it's going to look like this. So I'm here, I'm going to breathe in, exhale, bring it back. You might feel quads working a little bit, but it's just this nice, easy back and forth. Another key to think about, if I switch sides, is when you step back, you want this front knee to stay bent. A lot of times people will straighten it. That's actually going to limit the amount of turn and stretch you're going to get into the back hip. So it's making sure the knee stays bent. And again, so I'm here, soft knees, tuck. Inhale, bent, squat down a little bit so you get a little quad action. Exhale, bring it back. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.